Let's make car wash.
Hold on.
I'm making a
Look at the camera.
car wash.
At the camera. Look at my eyes.
And I need to put cars into it. So I put the water and the food color one in. So I'm putting the cars.
Very good. And what happens next?
So I need more cars to get a car wash.
Alright.
But then it's enough. We need to take them out, dry them.
You don't say magic spell or anything, no?
No.
Oh, it's not a magic trick, so is it?
No.
Aye. Explain now what you're doing.
This one is too wet.
Is it too wet? Will we get you another one here, so?
This one is...
Yeah.
I need to clean all the cars now.
Which is your favourite car?
This one in water.
Yeah. And do you have a name for it?
I didn't put it.
A name, no?
So, to clean these cars. So I'm getting more cars.
And what's the object of the game?
This game is cleaning the cars.
Oh, right.
So I need to clean them.
Stir them around a bit. Just a bit of magic, abracadabra.
No,
No?
this isn't a magic.
Alright. And should you not have some bubbles in it? You're
No.
cleaning, no?
No.
Okay.
I put bubbles in it.
Alright.
How can you get soap?
No.
Blow with the straw.
Look at this stuff.
But don't drink it.
If we do water it won't taste nice.
Your insides will go all red.
It's already red.
Oh, bubble baths for the cars. Isn't it? Now, Rory. Rory. Do you know what this means? Time to wrap it up.
Mama,
Yeah?
Mama. It's time to dry them off. Okay. This one is dried.
And what kind of car is that?
It's a yellow car.
Alright. So now I think we're running out of time, Rory, so you're going to have to say goodbye.
No, not yet.
And the video is going to end.
I'm only done this. Clean. Is he going to say goodbye now?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
But thank you for watching. Bye.